going to make a smart lamp. Smart lamp has a dark sensor. When it detects the dark, the lamp will glow. When we are studying and light suddenly goes off in the night times, then we can use smart lamp for it. For this I am using power, dark sensor, in out to extend the code and lamp. Let's see how we build it. We place the circuit here, or you can place it here. I am placing it here. Now let's see how it works. We have finally completed this lamp. Let's see how it works. I have on it. I'm going to off the light. Oh, my lamp is showing light. Now I can read my story nicely. Oh, lights are back on. It is a lovely smart